In episode 2 of my Off-beat Himachal series, I visit Khajjiar, one of the most beautiful meadows India has to offer. Coming up. What's happening, guys? Welcome to the vlog. If you're following the series, I'm on day 2 currently. I'm in Dalhousie right now. I got here yesterday from Mumbai. Yesterday we did a amazing unplanned trek to Ganji Pahadi. So if you guys haven't seen that, go see that. I met some solo travelers here from Delhi and I joined them and we went up there. It was quite amazing. Yesterday's plan was to get to Khajjiar, but guys, I found out that the Khajjiar road is shut due to heavy snowfall. So the only way to go there is from Chamba, which is 80 kilometers each way. So I asked around for cabs and the minimum I'm getting charged is 2,500 rupees. So what my plan for today is first to convince some people who want to go to Khajjiar with me so that they can share the cost. That is the amazing part of staying at a hostel. You can do that. And if I do, then we will get to Khajjiar. So fingers crossed that I can convince some people. I think I will be able to because I saw a lot of solo travelers and the friends I made yesterday, maybe they will also want to come. But for now, I am staring at this view, guys. The view from this hostel is amazing. There's snow over there. There's the Himalayan range over there. This is the Pir Pranjal range. In fact, from main Dalhousie, you get a nice 180-degree view of it. So for now, I'm just going to get fresh. It's 6 a.m. No one has woken up at the hostel. It's just me. I'm enjoying this view, waiting for a cup of tea, get fresh, and then let's hope we can go to Khajjiar today. So guys, just leaving this hostel. I hope you guys enjoyed that montage of my breakfast. Just got fresh. There's a smile on my face because like I said, living in a hostel is amazing, guys. I can't stress on this more. Kyuki the 3 friends that I was with yesterday, Amar, Tamanna and Rishabh, all 3 had anyways planned to go to Khajjiar today. So I'm just joining them instead of convincing them. They're just walking up. Hostel behind me. Our cab has just come. So we'll be taking the Chamba road because the Khajjiar Dalhousie road is shut because of the snow. So this is a longer route, 80 kilometers. So let's go. So on our way to Khajjiar, and this gem came on the way. Check this out behind me. This is amazing, guys. This is the Jumeirah Lake and dam with the mountains behind it. But just check it out, guys. That is blue water and what a viewpoint we have stopped at. Like, nature is just so amazing. Like, I didn't even know about this. The driver randomly stopped the car and he was like, this is Jumeirah Lake. But wow. So you can go down 30 kilometers from there to see the lake, but this viewpoint, guys, it's amazing. So if you are taking the Chamba road to Khajjiar, do stop here because this is breathtaking. So guys, I finally made it to Khajjiar. So what you can see is Khajjiar around me. Over there is where the food things are. So all sorts of things. We just ate a plate of momos. So Khajjiar is basically this meadow surrounded by these trees, the oak trees all around us. It is amazing. Although there are lots of tourists here, you don't feel it for the simple reason that it's such a big meadow that people are spread out. And also this is supposed to be a lake, but it's not a lake, guys. It's hardly some little bit of water and it looks pretty dirty. You can't do anything in it. And there, I don't know if you can make out in the camera, but it's a wide angle. But that is that iconic house that everyone photographs at Khajjiar. Even I did. You can go check it out on my Instagram on RahulNanda86. But guys, this place, a lot of people said that don't go here because it's very touristy. But I am really enjoying it. Come here and you can just sit around, chill, have some food, many activities for kids. So I totally recommend this place for whatever people say, because just check out how vast it is, and I can just imagine when there will be snow how beautiful this place will be. So guys, just walked around the whole of Khajjiar, and I'll tell you, the peace that I've got walking here is just so amazing. So I came to check out the house which is here, that I always see in photos. मैं बहुत curious था to know. I just read a board, it says residents inside, please do not disturb. So I'm guessing that people stay here. But guys, this is just so amazing. My friends have also just found a spot and they're chilling right now. Like I said, there are many activities. That's a Zorba ball going on over there. But this place, guys, has just some magic to it. I was so hell-bent on coming here, and I'm so happy that I made it. You should come here. I've heard there are buses also that come here. But guys, put it on your list of things to do, because a lot of people will tell you it's too crowded, but actually it's not that crowded as people say. Just finished the whole walk around Khajjiar, and it is amazing. Also, I just reached this place. It says Forest Rest House. I don't know, it's shut, otherwise I would have seen if you can book a place here. But imagine staying here, this Forest Rest House with this view behind you. So one more fact, that Khajjiar is located inside the Kala Top Sanctuary over here. So lots of bears and other animals, lots of bird watching, but beware of bears is what everyone tells you over here, especially after the sun sets. Post this with a heavy heart, it was finally time to leave Khajjiar. As we walked to the car, the driver told us that the shortcut to Dalhousie might have opened. We decided to take the risk. As we drove through the Kala Top Wildlife Sanctuary towards Dalhousie, the green and brown forest turned white. I couldn't even believe what I was looking at. I had never seen this much snow in my life. We requested the driver to stop so we could play in the snow, but he knew the best spot to do so. So guys, I've just come about 4 or 5 kilometers above Khajjiar, and this is known as the snow point just above Khajjiar, guys. Again, it was not expected. We did not know. The driver just said, I'll take you to a place, it'll surprise you. And this is such a surprise, guys. If you guys can see the snow over here, check it out over here. It's a little dirty, but look at the height. It's about 8 feet of snow on the road. It's like a small mini pass. This place is so amazing, and you can do that ride over here on the tires, slide down for 50 rupees only. Quite amazing. I did not know that this sort of a place existed inside Khajjiar. I knew during the snowfall the whole place looks like this, but I thought we had missed the snowfall. But guys, this is seriously something else. It is so cold over here. My GoPro was not starting, in fact, so I just couldn't resist it, guys. Walking on the snow, going to a small point. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to do something really fun, which I'm going to get to in the next 2 minutes. But guys, just check this out. It is so amazing. So guys, going on the thing, I don't know what it's called, but this is so amazing. It is cold, and Bhaiya is just helping me now to go down. Woo! So guys, just playing around in the snow, and seriously speaking, it has turned us into little children. We are sinking in the snow, our clothes are getting wet, but we really don't care. Because this, guys, I really don't know what to say. It's so amazing that, it's so cold, we are feeling cold, we are feeling so many emotions right now, I can't put it. But seriously, this is what traveling and vacations are all about. Guys, just leaving the snow point, and this was the highlight of Khajjiar. Khajjiar was so beautiful. This was like the cherry on the cake that we all needed. It was wow, So guys, we were coming down to Dalhousie, and our driver just told us, so this way where I'm standing right now, this is the road shortcut to Khajjiar, and it's open just today. We are one of the first tourists to come back. So this road was cleared today, which is why the snow was so high, because that machine whichever clears it had just cleared it. And guys, we have stopped at this viewpoint. Just check this out. That is the view over there. The setting sun, snow-capped mountains, and I just don't know what to say, because today was such a surprise that just check this out, yeah. What do you say to something like this? I don't know, because this is a very wide lens. I don't know if you can see that, but there is body of water there, sun setting, and ice on the step farms. It is just amazing. And can you imagine, we are one of the first tourists to use the shortcut. It was shut for 3 months. That's what my driver just now told me. He also got to know at Khajjiar. That's why he took this route to bring us here. This is the shortcut. But I would like to tell you, take the Chamba route if you have the time, guys, because Chamba is also amazing. You get the Jumeirah Dam where you get good pictures, all of that. Overall, this has been such an amazing day. This is one of my best travel days I've had. I was in fact not going to come to Dalhousie because I thought it would be very crowded, but it was well worth it. Also guys, to add one more thing, those things that you can see over there, those small buildings and stuff like that, that is the hostel over there, and this is the pahad that we look at. So you can also go to Dankund and Kala Top from here, but those roads are shut, so we couldn't do it today. Otherwise the Dankund trek is a must do over here. Even the Kala Top trek is good. That's a little less than the Dankund one, but I heard Dankund one is amazing. Now just gonna chill with my friends and make it back to the hostel. After this, as the sun set, it got really cold, and we decided to get some hot bhajiyas by the side of the road. By the time we reached Dalhousie, it was already dark, and we decided to hang out at the famous Monga's Cafe, where we had desserts and their very famous apple tea, which I totally recommend, while discussing the amazing day we had had. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog about our day out at Dalhousie. If you guys did, please like, share, comment, and consider subscribing. And guys, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you guys never miss an update. Thanks for watching.